guys, great to see you. Welcome back to Hit the Trail. We've had a really busy week and we've been having loads of great kit coming in from Front Runner. We're going to dive straight in. We're going to have a look at the front-runner II Slimline roof rack. We're going to build it and then we're going to fit it to a Jeep Renegade 4xe. We've got loads of great kit to show you, but let's start there. Okay, so everything comes really well packaged, as you know, for Front Runner. Let's cut this box open. Okay, so once we get this unboxed, what do we actually have? Well, we have our standard slats. These are the slats that you will place all of your luggage on. We have the combined slats, so these are the two end pieces. Okay, look like this. And then we've got the side profiles, where everything screws into. Okay, then we have some bags of kit, so that's all of your bolts, and because the rack is a bit longer, we have to join the side profiles together, so that's all of the bolts and everything we need there. And then we've got a whole load of more boxes here, which are all of the feet, because we've got raised rails on the Jeep. So we're going to start having a look at putting this together. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to take our side profiles, and because our rack is of a certain size, we need to join two side profile bars together. We have a long one and we have a shorter one. Okay, and they're joined with a joiner, which is in two parts, a thick piece and a thin piece, and then we have two nylocks and two nylock nuts. Okay, so the way that we join those together is we insert the thicker piece into the U-channel and the thinner piece below it, like that, and then the nylock nut sits in the channel as well, so it's all here. And then you put the bolt through, you need to make sure everything's lined up. We're just going to do that up loosely. So now we've got that piece there, and then this then slides into the shorter piece. Just turn it upside down, put the nylock nut inside over the hole, and then the bolt through, and then do that up. There we go, and that's now all joined up. Now you've got two of these, one for each side, and then you just repeat that process. Okay, so the next stage is to take our combined slat. We need to make sure that the nylock nut is in position. Okay, and you check the other piece as well. And then you're going to turn this upside down, and you're going to put the side profile, line it up with the holes, and then you put the bolt in and you do it up. Just loosely for now, and then we can tighten everything at the end. Okay, and then we're going to put the other side profile on this side. So we're going to line this up, take one of our bolts, through, and then just do it up, but not really tight. We'll do all the tightening at the end. Okay, so then we're going to take our standard slat and we're going to put it into the channel of the side profile and we slide it into position. Okay, so this goes into the third hole. So effectively, you've got the first hole is used, the second hole is empty, and then this goes into the third hole. Then once this is in position, then we just repeat this all the way down the roof rack till we get to the end, and then we put our last combined piece on. Okay? Okay. So I flipped the rack over so it's up the right way, and then we take our corner pieces, which go onto the four corners. Make sure that when you put them on, you get the front runner writing up the right way. They just go onto the corners, and then you've got small button head bolts which go into the nuts that are already in place. So that's one corner on, now just 3 to go. Okay, so one of the last stages we're going to do just to finish off the rack is we're going to fit the wind deflector. The wind deflector is in 2 parts, so you've got 2 pieces, and that fits to the underside of the rack. Okay, you have a bolt, a washer and a nut, and then you just slide it into the center of the slat like that. Take one of the other nuts, drop it into the hole and slide it along. Then take a bolt and a washer, put them together, put it through the hole in the wind deflector, and screw it down into the nut. The other bolt that we slid into the channel earlier will slide into the open end of the wind deflector, and then you'll position those so that they're central on the rack and then tighten them up. And then once you've done that, you just repeat it and put the other one on. So now the wind deflector is in place and it's all tightened up, so the rack is complete. The next step will be to mount it onto your vehicle. Hi, well, as you can see, we've now got the front runner slimline roof rack fully fitted on the Jeep Renegade, and very impressed with it. It's really good. We've even been out today and grabbed one of the first Christmas trees of the season and loaded it up. It was really easy to fit, and it's very, very well constructed. Front runner really is some of the best kit that's out there, and you won't be disappointed if you make front runner your choice. We'll be bringing you some more video reviews soon. I hope you've liked this one. If you have, give us a thumbs up, and I'll put all the details of the roof rack system in the description below. Please, if you've got any queries, any questions, just drop us a comment and come back to you as quickly as I can. We'll see you down the trail soon. Thanks for watching.